Hi my friends, today we model this part. It seems to be simple, but it is not simple at all. These faces are sloped and curved. The drawing is here and the name is spin piece. You have two details, 1, 2, to understand each feature and dimension. We start by creating this contour with extrude of 56. You see dimensions 38, 16, 4 and 24. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw lines. I go at this level, then here, and close, but vertical, of course, this line. We place the midpoint of the base on the center point and we apply equal to these two small lines. Why? Because we want to have symmetry here without any other entities placed here. Dimension, this is 38. Everything is scaled. This is 16, 24, and the last dimension is 4 millimeters here. Finish sketch, extrude to the other direction of 56. Okay, then we cut this end of the part 80 degrees from 56. We select the sketch XY, not XY, YZ, and F7. We draw a line from this corner up here, then to the end, then close. The angle is 80. I must project this line and make collinear these two lines. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. Then we apply this cut, you see, around here and with another face here. Dimensions are here, you see, 21 and 18 are the important dimensions. The center of these arcs is at 14. Dimensions, radius 18, radius 21.5. This is 4 millimeters and this is 5 degrees. Let's apply this. We use the plane YZ again for a new sketch. F7, and we focus on this corner. Line, down, left, and sloped. We connect these 2 points and also this. We place vertical dimensions. This is 15.2. The angle must be oriented down 5 degrees. This distance is 4 millimeters, and we draw an axis here. I like to place constraints for the ends because we have to have here fully constrained sketch. This line is placed at 14 millimeters from the front, and this is a radius of 21.5. This is an axis, but I don't make it as an axis or center line. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve. What is the axis? Asks Inventor. This is the axis. Cut. OK. Next is the spin. I call this as a spin. Dimensions are 3.6 and 9. I have to use a special procedure now, so I create a rectangle here, a rectangle as you can see, and then other operations. I use this face for a new sketch, then I project these 2 lines and I draw a rectangle. Yes, we have to place 2 dimensions. This is 3.6 and this is 9. Finish sketch, extrude. There are more than one area, yes? This is why Inventor waits for us to select profiles. I select this to the part, to this face, the other direction, and I don't select join, I don't select cut, neither intersect, but new solid. Okay, what is this new solid? Now you have 2 objects there. I apply the property for the last one, red for you to understand this. If I hide this part, you see we have a circular, cylindrical face there, but we don't hide the rest of the part, the main body, you can say. Now you see that this face is not cylindrical but sloped. Oh, what to do? We create a new sketch here. Dimensions are 19.15 and 20.1. You see, this is an arc, this, and the other is this. They are placed at the ends of the last feature, the one that is another solid. Okay, the same plane for a new sketch, F7, and we make visible the last revolution, this one, visibility. Why? Because I need this axis. I don't want to create again a new axis. We have it here. I project this line in the new sketch and I hide the old sketch. Yes, now we have here the green, the yellow line. If you like, I can apply in sequence Alt F(I). You know this procedure. I use it many times, and now we see better what is here. Good. I project also this line, and I draw another line between these two sides. The two dimensions are radii from this point to this is the smaller distance, 19.15, and this is the greater dimension of radius of 20.1. Now you see this is the line. We have an area here, very interesting, to apply revolve. Oh, but it is not closed. Once again, double click F7, and we have to connect these 2 points and these 2 points. Yes. Now we can apply revolve. No, this is not This is not selectable. This is fully constrained sketch. This line exists. Also this, also this, also this. Oh, here is a problem. You see, this must be longer. I apply extend of this line to here, but there is a constraint here. I select and I eliminate that constraint because I want to place this in connection with this. I make something else. I delete this line and I draw a nice new line between these 2 points. I made a mistake by selecting this instead of this. Why? Because I am in a hurry all the time. I don't want to have long tutorials, my friends. Revolve. You see the profile is already selected and we have to select the axis. This is the axis. Cut is the solution. Okay. Now we have to apply to create this face, and this is not a simple face. You see, this is a reflection automatically. Oh, and this is me. Yes. This face, my friends, is not a plain face because this line is with an angle and this one is with another angle. So we have to take a look to the drawing and to see what happens here. I have to draw this line at an angle of 23 by using a line from this point to inside this volume, not to this contour. You will see why I have to do this. And the other line is this one at another level. One is at this level and the other is at this level. The second one is at 17. Oh, very interesting. This means that we create a new sketch on this face. This is a plane surface and we have the center here to draw a line somewhere inside the volume. F7 to see the line. We add a dimension inside here of 1 millimeter. This is enough. I place here a point on the line and I place this point also on this projection. The point is here. Then I apply a dimension between these 2 points to exceed the line outside. 1 millimeter is enough. Yes. Now I apply the angle between the line and this face. This must be 23 divided by 2. Finish sketch. Another construction is placed on this face. New sketch. I turn this. As you can see, everything we do is in this plane. We draw another line in that plane with the grid, also inside the body, the main body. Now I apply F7. We don't see the other line, but only this one. I place again a point on the line. I make coincident that point with this line, and I apply a dimension between the point and this end. The dimension is, I have to obtain this aligned dimension, and the distance is also 1 millimeter. The angle is measured here. The value is 17 divided by 2. Finish sketch. Now we have two lines starting from the same vertical point and going inside the body. Very interesting. But what to do? You must understand that we work now on this red body and we do nothing with this. What to do? The answer for what to do is we apply loft. Loft, not a solid. We don't create a solid, we create a surface. I select this. Then I select this line and this line. Now I create a face, a surface, but it is not a plane surface. It is a curved surface. Okay. I use this to cut this portion of the body. We don't make anything to the main body. Okay. What is the tool we use for this? Split is the tool. I select that tool and I select this solution, but Inventor waits for me to select the solid for applying the split. I select this, not this. Yes, the direction is this, and I agree. Okay, very good. Now the other end. Yes, I apply mirror of this surface. This is what we mirror, and this is the plane. Okay, now again split. We select the tool, this, not the other. We select the solid, red is the solid, and we apply this or this. This is what we use. Okay. Now I go to loft and I apply visibility. The other loft is this one, and I hide all surfaces. We apply the tool combine. We select the base body, the main body, then the tool body, which is this red one. Okay, there are only one object now. You see, solid 1, not solid 1 and solid 2. Next is this hole, diameter of 7 and distance up of 21.5. The angle is the same with this one. Good. We select this plane for a new sketch, F7. We draw a sloped line. I hover on this to obtain the parallel. They are parallel, you can see this, yes? The distance is 21.5, and now we create a rectangle in 3 points. 1, I hover here to find the parallel, then I go to here. I make coincident these two. This is an axis, not this, this, a center line. Then we want to have both these lines outside the object. The diameter is 7. I use this dimension to place distances. The distance between this point and this point, the distance between this point and this line is half of this. I don't care what is that dimension. When somebody changes the dimension, we also have a distance there. Yes, you understand this? Yes, professor, I understand is the answer, the correct answer. Now I copy this. Yes, good. Finish sketch, revolve this, the axis is unique, and we have a hole from outside to outside. Okay, we see here radius 1, and radius 1 here. Let's apply this radii, these fillets. This is 1, not 2. This is also 1, and this is also 1. Okay, now I suppose I finished the part. Let's see what is the volume. I properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is the same. I apply cancel because I don't change the value. We use the material stainless steel. We apply another view, another light, default light, and now we see the same object if I apply F6. Yes, no differences between them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.